In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add indicator, Vervoort Smoothed Oscillator in TradingView Pro. Quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the indicator, add it to your chart, and open up its settings so you can start customizing it to your own trading style. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market and any time frame will work here. So just pick the chart you normally analyze. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It usually sits near the time frames and other tools. Go ahead and click on indicators to open the indicators and strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the very top. This search bar is the quickest way to find any indicator without having to scroll through long lists. Click directly into that search bar so your cursor is active and ready to type. Now in the search bar, start typing the name of the indicator, Vervoort Smoothed Oscillator. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. Make sure you spell it as accurately as you can, because even a small typo can prevent it from showing up. Once you see Vervoort Smoothed Oscillator appear in the list of results, move your mouse over that line and left-click it. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price. After the indicator is on your chart, you'll want to access its settings so you can adjust it to your preferences. To do that, hover your mouse over the name of the Vervoort Smoothed Oscillator on the left side of the indicator panel. You should see a small gear icon appear next to the name. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you'll find options for inputs, style, and visibility, depending on how the script was built. Here you can change things like colors, line thickness, and sometimes the calculation lengths, so the indicator responds faster or slower to price action. Take a moment to explore these options and tweak them until the visual look fits your chart layout and is easy for you to read. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more tools and indicators without the usual limits, you can use the link in my video description to get started. Once that's done, repeat these exact steps on any chart and you'll be ready to use the Vervoort Smoothed Oscillator in your own analysis.